I love my son dearly. He had a problem with drugs, and it went so bad so fast that one particular night there was police and everything at our house in Brackenfell, and I was desperate. At that time I knew God, but I wasn't saved, and I said, God, I need something. You must now give me a message. I opened the Bible, and in Psalms I found, it just jumped up to me, be still and know that I am God. And that was like a message right from God to tell me, this is now my time, I'm going to work with your son. I got a restraining order against him, and I moved to Tableview. I met a neighbor who was in View Church. Whilst he was still, I didn't know where he was, I didn't know where he slept, but at that point I trusted God to do what he had to do, and I trusted that whatever happened to my child, I will be okay with it. He wasn't allowed to come into the house, and a neighbor of mine, saw him one day outside our center, and she introduced me to Hope, and I went there desperate, really desperate. I couldn't help him. 3 weeks on the day I went to Hope meetings. He phoned me, and he was in a church in Cape Town, and he said, I need help. I gave my heart to the Lord again, and that is 6 years ago, nearly 6 years ago. He is a Christian, he's got a fantastic relationship with God. He's one of our leaders at Hope. He's a church-going person. He seeks wise counsel, and he shows me how he loves me, and that is my miracle. It was just amazing. Actually, what I realized, that God took over, and it was like divine intervention, because from the moment he took over, things started happening, and every day, every single day, I live in thankfulness, and because God can still do miracles. He can change a person. He changed my son.